I'm just waiting for Toretto.
Shit, better get in line.
Filling up nice though. Hard to say. I have no idea how well this is going to work.
Like if it works as expected, what do you think it's capable of?
High nines.
Look, fuck your opinion. They wanna criticize the way that we live. Lock up your mind and throw it off in the prison. Sell them some bullshit and I bet you they listen. Know your position to get played in this game we in, and bring your best cause we came to win.
And so after 2 years, like finally gonna start running.
Crazy, right?
I'd only rode this bike for what, like
Not much.
4 months or something? Or
Yeah. Yeah, I'd say so.
yeah.
Probably about right.
Rode it for about 4 months, sat for about 2 years, a little over 2 years, and over the time being we decided to put a turbo on it, and I'd say about midway last year, 2017, we started
Working.
yeah,
Started actually working on it.
made the header, the intake, got a turbo, flat slide carb, and now it's all here.
This wasn't the best flange choice. Cheap turbos don't always make the most sense, but until you get into it and know what you're doing, you don't really know what to pick. So this was a first for us, so I'm actually glad we had to learn all of the different flanges and what's typical and standard. Go it through the hard way and have to fabricate your own stuff, and makes you appreciate the stuff that's already out there. Actually, why don't we prime this? Well, we can do that with it on before we connect our return line. We can prime that. That's not a problem. We can tighten this one. I think that's a 14. This one here.
I would have never expected that.
What?
A coolant line.
Yeah. Guess we're gonna do that, weren't we? Is that what we're gonna do?
I think so, I don't know. Looks about right.
I think actually I was gonna go above the bracket. The radiator bracket. Yeah. Alright, so this is pretty much mounted again. Just so everyone is aware, I bought some steel braided hose to replace these hoses with, since they run close to the header. This hose right here is actually at 8 AN, and this is for our return line, and I thought these were smaller, so for this I bought a 6 AN, and it's actually too small. I actually need more of the 8 AN. So for now we're going to run these, at least get the thing started, see how it runs, but unfortunately I don't have enough of the 8 AN to make that swap, so we'll have to run with it. Alright, let's go ahead and mount the carburetor. Heat shield. I know the carburetor.
Where's the carb at? Oh, that monster.
The carburetor's right over there.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. It's our homemade heat shield. It'll work.
Looks good.
It looks alright. It'll do the job. I hope. It better do the job or we'll be in trouble.
Thank you, Mom.
Daddy, I didn't know if you were hungry.
That's fine, honey. I don't need no food.
I got you a little hamburger.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great. No, I didn't. Thank you.
He didn't say anything about you wanting something.
No. I appreciate it. I'm just saying. We ate earlier, so.
What
thank
early? How old are you?
2, 1,
2,
1.
12.
No. We already have went and picked up the
Oh,
go-kart.
yeah. It was like 1 or
2.
2 around there.
Yeah, 1 or 2.
Well, I got your hamburger.
Thank you. Do me a favor.
Hmm.
Will you pass me? What size is this? A 7mm?
I don't know about that stuff.
Look, in the second drawer right there. One more down.
You said second.
No, that's 2 down. Right there. One like this, look. It looks like this. It looks like this and it has a 7 on it.
So
That's too
no,
complicated for
look,
me.
it's on this row. They're numbered. What number is that, Dad?
I need a 7mm.
What number is that? You have a...
I have a 6.
Yeah, so 6 is right there, so that's a 7 that you're grabbing. There you go. Look at you.
Thank you, pretty girl.
Love you, Mom.
Start off with the fuel line.
Damn it, Dad.
I tell you, man, we're trying to do
You
some
see I'm
work
trying to eat
here.
with 2 hands.
Well, work comes
You
first.
better stop.
Oh, that air filter is overkill.
No, it's beautiful. I
Freaking
like it.
huge.
I like it. When you only got one air filter, it needs to be big. Even if it is just a 600.
Nah, you'll make it work. So right now what he's doing, I don't know if you could make it out, but he's putting the clamps on all the hoses where the pipe, where the tube connects.
The intake tubes.
Yeah, the intake tubing. He's just putting a clamp on all of the connections.
The tire's still full of air, but I've been blown. Chrome lips with the ground effects kit real low to the earth. You on game, then you know when to work. Sit on Japanese wheels and I'm making them work. Gonna catch a couple bodies, got 'em eating my dirt. I go skirt on them. Looking for the kid, well you better get in line. You know I live life 10 seconds at a time. Living life fast lane, can't slow down.
Alright, so while my dad vacuums the intake ports, just to get all the debris, that's whatever's in there.
We also got a purge.
After that, yeah, he's going to prime the oil lines, and meanwhile, I'm going to be taking the battery out of my brother's bike and putting it into mine so we could hopefully start this bike tonight.
Feeling that vibe, this one you can't mimic. This lifestyle, all mine, you can't live it. Heard you looking for the kid, well you better get in line. Live mine 10 seconds at a time. Living life fast lane, can't slow down. And we almost there, not can't stop.
Alright, well, I heard my gauges actually click over like they used to, and for me, this used to be the favorite site. My favorite site was...
I need to do all of this, but... Looks like it's gonna work. You wanna kill it?
Talking about partners really ain't got plenty. Leaving how I came, well respected and loved. While you frontin' about being the plug.
Go ahead. She's freaking awesome. Go ahead. We're gonna have to fix it. We're getting oil, obviously, yeah, sputtering up. Son, it freaking runs. Woo! It's gonna be freaking awesome. Yeah.